think through your rules and restrictions. Now, we have to have rules. Every company has to have rules. I don't care if they say that it's the kumbaya mentality. Everybody has to have rules, but think them through. You ever been driving down the interstate and all of a sudden you come across this long lane closure, a set of orange cones as far as the eye can see, and absolutely nothing happening on the other side of the orange cones? Doesn't that just drive you batty? It does me. I really wish that I had a stick to reach out the side of the car and just take out all the orange cones. Because it's a restriction without a reason. I don't mind orange cones if they're working on the road. At least I'll say that right now when I'm not driving past them. But if I see those orange cones shutting off a lane and nothing happening in that lane, the lane's perfectly good, they're just shutting it off, that drives me crazy. And I'm from Kansas City, and I swear in Kansas City, we have people trying out for the Olympic cone putter upper teams because we have that all the time. A lot of rules that you have may be seen like that from your salespeople. Let me tell you how to determine the worth of a rule or a restriction. Any rule that you have, and this isn't just for salespeople, by the way, any rule that you have needs to be justified in terms of its benefit to the company, to the employee, or to the customer. The company, the employee, or the customer. If you can't justify your rules by that way, maybe you shouldn't have that rule.
If you are a president, CEO, business owner, or sales manager, and you would like expert help and feedback on your sales program, why not schedule a sales strategy review?